Hi everybody, it's Bob from Rail Design. Sorry I haven't posted in a few weeks. I was off at a technical conference on some of the software that I use at work. It's called SolidWorks World. It was a great time. I ran into a lot of 3D printing manufacturers of the machine, service providers, that kind of thing. So along with the software that I use, a lot of companies that use the software to make things like CNC companies, data management companies, anything that really touches SolidWorks. It was a really great conference. So, but that took me out of the circulation for a little bit while I concentrated on that. And now I'm back. I'd like to do a review of Pendant that I have had up for sale for a while, but I haven't really done a video on it. So I thought it was about time I did it. I call it the Defender Pendant. It's it's a small shield like. Let's see if I can get this in focus. Uh, I'll do a close-up review in a minute. But if you saw one of my previous videos with Ashley Mardell's pendant review and her shout out to her um, fundraiser, which was very successful. Congratulations, Ashley. This particular pendant was kind of created to pair up with that because when I sent her the pendants, I didn't want to not give her partner one too. So I tried to think of a design in mind for Grace, her partner. So the Defender pendant came up, and it just kind of naturally, suited my idea of her, even though I don't really know her that well. She's, on YouTube, but you don't really get to know people, personally. You just kind of get the edited versions of what, with their best kind of presence. So I hope that doesn't come off bad. So they seem like really nice people. So I wanted to do something really nice for both of them, not just Ashley. So I made the Defender pendant, and let's do a quick review. Okay, so this is the Defender pendant. The material we're looking at here is polished gold steel. It's an infusion process where they take steel powder and use a 3D printing process to kind of glue the layers together, and then it goes through a sintering, almost like a sintering or infusion process, where they add gold or bronze or whatever the material you're picking out as the add to it, or more steel to solidify the design. So this is how it starts off. So you can see almost, you could barely kind of make out the layers as it was built up from 0.04 millimeter layers as it's going up in the bed. It's about 3/4 of an inch tall, almost 1/4 of an inch wide. It's like 200 thousandths. It's got two 2 millimeter holes or two 80 thousandths of an inch holes going through it for a chain, or in my case I like to use ropes because I can't afford all the chains I would need for all my pendants. So but you can get chains small enough to go through these two holes, or if you decided to put a jump ring through each of these, you can do that too, or just be creative with it. So but in my case I put a string through one end and out the other, so I can wear it as like a chain. It kind of looks a little neat like that inset. So I also got one of the original prototypes was plastic. This is a metallic gray plastic. Not as nifty as the steel one. So I don't wear this one. I wear this one. But if you go to the link, you'll see that this is going to be available in precious metals, semi-precious metals, and the plastics and that kind of stuff. It doesn't really, concern me what materials are available or not, because I'm not actually providing the stock. I'm not keeping any stock in this material. Shapeways is, so and they have it on hand anyway. So just making this, the options available to you is you know, just part of the business. So that's the Defender pendant, and that's the back of it. And if you, if you like this, if you have any advice, if you want to have any kind of designs put on the front of it, I can certainly work on that. Um, just need to know what you as the customer are looking for. So, all right. Okay, so that was the Defender pendant. It's available in several materials, so feel free to click the link below, take a look at the website, see what materials that you like. It's available in precious metals, semi-precious metals, some plastics if you're into plastics. Um, so take a look around and see if there's anything else that you like to. And let me know if you have any constructive criticism or advice that you would like to give me on what kind of designs you'd like to see, or if any improvements that you think I should be making while I'm doing the designs and my YouTube channel too. So look forward to talking to you next week, and I'll see you then.